Hello all, hope you all doing good. Today we have come up with interesting facts of RRR movie. Shriya is a well-known actress in Indian cinema. Recently, she confirmed that she is playing in one of the important role in this film alongside Ajay Devgan. Alia Bhatt and Daisy Jones playing as female leads in this film. Alia Bhatt impressed not only with her cuteness but also with her amazing performances like Dear Zindagi, Udta Punjab, Razi, Highway. Definitely, she is a good choice for this epic film. RRR team not compromising on anything, and total budget of this film is huge, 350 to 400 crores. As per latest news, team is going to spend huge budget for high action interval sequence between Ram Charan and Junior NTR, which is going to be major highlight of this film. Ajay Devgan and Samudrakani playing in important roles. Ajay Devgan going to be major asset for this film. He is one of the most intense actor who can act with his eyes. He is one of the gifted actor in Indian cinema. Ram Charan playing as Alluri Sita Ramaraju. This is the second time he is teaming up with director Rajamouli after industry hit film Magadira. He transformed his look for this film. This is going to be another milestone in his film career. Junior NTR playing as Komaram Bhim. He has biggest mass fan base in the industry. He is giving his own voiceover in 4 languages. He is one of the gifted actor and top performer in Telugu cinema. I'm pretty sure with this film whole India going to see Rampage of NTR. Right now, Rajamouli is one of the most popular and successful director in Indian cinema. He is the one who raised the standards of Telugu and Indian cinema with his film Bahubali. He is really a master in creating wonders at big screen. Ram Charan playing as Alluri Sita Ramaraju and NTR as Komaram Bhim. Even though both stars playing in real characters, but the story is completely fictional. Alluri Sita Ramaraju and Komaram Bhim never met together in real life. But Rajamouli trying to show what if they were together and friends. That's the main idea and interesting plot of RRR story. Ajay Devgan character plays major role in this film, which has episode in flashback. We all know Rajamouli is master in creating wonders at big screen. Now he is coming with real characters in fictional way. How many of you think RRR is going to be another biggest hit in Indian cinema? Mention your opinion in comment section. So that's all. Please subscribe and click on notification icon for more videos. Take care.